Man, guys, and just like that, the markets are rallying again. This is nuts. It's currently 2:57 p.m. on the East Coast. It's about to be power hour in 3 minutes, and as of now, the markets are going green. This is crazy. The Dow's up already. It's up 0.6%. We have the S&P about to turn green. It's down 0.01%, and it literally just turned green right now. We have the Russell down 0.1%, and we have the NASDAQ down about 0.7%. And the crazy thing is the NASDAQ was down about 3%, maybe over 3% earlier in the day. So we're seeing a reversal heading into the Fed meeting. Well, I guess the Fed meeting did start today, but tomorrow we're going to get the Q&A, the report, Jerome Powell speaking and all that good stuff. And looks like we're rallying into that. At this point, SPY, take a look, guys, on this 5-day chart. And by the way, if you all find value, hit the like button, subscribe, join my Patreon that's down below, and get your 5 stocks from Moomoo. Each of those are valued up to $3,500. Just deposit $100 using my link. Get your free stocks from Moomoo. All that is linked down below. And let's take a look here. SPY, take a look at this. On this 5-day, 5-minute chart, if I zoom in to what happened so far today and what happened yesterday, you guys can see, actually, we can see it better if I zoom back out. You guys can see we're about to test 440 again. In fact, we're testing it right now. 440 was the resistance from yesterday that we failed at as we did sell off after market hours, and it was resistance a couple months back. And another thing worth mentioning is we did not take out the lows from yesterday. We held above 427.50 roughly, and yesterday we got all the way down to 421. So we made a higher low today. That's another good sign. Now, if we do take out 440, I'm telling you guys, we're probably going to see a rally in the short term. Whether that happens today in power hour, that could easily happen, or whether it happens tomorrow, maybe pre-market in the morning before the announcement and the meeting. If we break 440, I'm telling you guys, we might see a rally. So I'm going to put an alert. Mark is at or above 440 on SPY. And for Triple Q, let's see what's going on here. Triple Q is in a similar boat. Not the same boat as SPY, but it's in a similar boat. We held a higher low from yesterday. Today we bottomed at about 342. Yesterday we bottomed at 334. So we held a higher low, and we're not quite yet at the highs from yesterday, but with power hour now, it's 3 p.m. We might see momentum, some volume. This might go and at least test the highs, maybe even break them in this next hour, or maybe even tomorrow morning, even throughout the day. Who knows? So look, 354 was the high from yesterday, right by right around close, and now we're at about 350.5. So I'm telling you guys, if we get hot, this could end up rallying, and we could maybe even take those highs out. So what do you guys think? Drop me a comment. Make sure to let me know your thoughts. Hit the like button. Do all that good stuff. And now let's talk about some sectors, some stocks that have been doing very well today. It's been energy all day. Energy's been crushing it. XLE, guys, take a look at this. Excuse me. XLE is up over 3.8%, almost 4% on the day. And this is one that I've been eyeing up the past 2 days pretty much, 2-3 days here to end up to pick up with the goal of picking up a swing position, right? I've been eyeing up XLE, and I'm already a long-term investor in this energy ETF. I've been so for a couple months, multiple months at this point, probably close to 6-8 months. And I'm actually looking to get in it as a swing, and I actually did get in it earlier in the day. We're currently at $65.27. Well, I got in about a couple hours ago at $64.30. So I'm already up about $1 on my position right now. And I don't plan on selling. In fact, I want it to come down. If it came down, and honestly, I'm kicking myself for not buying it yesterday. I was looking at it at 61, 60, 61. All you guys in my Patreon know that I was looking at it yesterday. Excuse me, and I regret not buying it. But I saw the momentum today, and I figured, let me just start an initial position, and that's when I did it. I bought it at $64.30 roughly, and I'm looking to add more to it because it's an initial position, and with swing trades, I usually scale in. I don't go in all at once. So XLE's crushing it today, and I'm bullish on oil. I think it's going to do well throughout this year, and I think it's going to be over $70 per share. XLE is, and you guys know, if you've been watching my channel, I predicted it was going to go over 60. That was a couple months ago. 2-3 months ago. I've been saying that for a while. It did that. Now I think it's going 70, and I'm confident. So any shares between 60 to 65 bucks, honestly, in my opinion, are a decent ad for me. And you guys must do your own research, but I'm just telling you guys what I'm feeling here, what I'm doing, and what I think. It is my YouTube channel, right, guys? So let's talk about some energy stocks. CVX is up 3.6% today. This is Chevron. They just hit a high on this 4-hour chart, and they report tomorrow, or no, this is on Friday. That's right. Today's only Tuesday. For some reason, it feels like it's already Thursday, but it's only Tuesday. It's just been a crazy week. That's why. I mean, that goes to show. It's been a crazy week. So we have CVX later this week. That's going to be interesting. I'm very excited to see if they continue this massive rally. Again, we just had a high on this 4-hour chart, or do we end up seeing some selling? So keep your eyes on CVX. ExxonMobil is also ripping today, guys. Take a look at this. ExxonMobil's up 3%, not as much as Chevron, but still very, very nice day for ExxonMobil. And just like Chevron, one thing they have in common here is both of them hit a high on this 4-hour chart. And Exxon also reports earnings pretty soon here on the 1st of February. So keep your eyes on it. XOM, Chevron, XLE, energy stocks in general. That's what I'm looking at now. I own a good bunch of that. The XLE ETF and both swing trades and long-term investment. So I'm pretty excited about it. And the bank stocks today, guys, have been doing pretty well. AXP is it's crushing it. American Express, this one's up $10, 10% rather, about $15 on the day, which is crazy. I mean, I haven't seen AXP up that much in a long time, but they did report earnings this morning. They did $2.18 EPS versus $1.87. That beat. Sales came in at 12.14 bill versus 11.5, so they had a double beat. Very strong quarter for AXP, and at this point, it's going up to test the highs from about a week, 2 weeks ago, being between 175, 176. So there probably will be a bit of resistance there. But I'm telling you guys, if AXP breaks out of 175 and it cracks 180, it might be over. I mean, over in a good way. It might be going up to 185, 190. So I'm going to set my alert at 175. Let me do that right now. Let's do that together. There we go. And I'm also looking at the more oversold bank stocks. We have JP Morgan. This one's up 0.6% today. And this one I feel like hasn't had a green day in weeks. I mean, actually, no. See, that goes to show again, these past couple of days have been crazy because it's been a couple of days, not a couple of weeks. I'm not trying to exaggerate it here, but it's been about 10 days. So a little bit more than a couple of days since JP Morgan's had a rally, and now we're finally getting it. It's up 0.6%. I want to see over these next couple of days, will this stock have legs, or this rally, will it have legs? Will we get up to 150, maybe 155 again? So I'm keeping my eyes peeled on these financials, on energy, on JP Morgan, and I feel like Goldman Sachs is an interesting one as well. This one is in the same boat as JP Morgan, and it's been going down pretty much not just the past couple of days, 10 days, but it's been going down for about 3 months. I mean, it's down 20% from all-time highs, which is it's not insane, but it is a bear market. So I'm looking to see if we get a similar rally. I'm noticing a bullish divergence here on the 4-hour chart slightly. You guys can see it, maybe not. But Goldman Sachs, I think if we do get a bit of a rally in financials, this could probably go back to 360, 370. That's where I have it potentially going. And as always, guys, please do your own research. I'm going to be watching these. I'm going to set my alerts. And if we do start breaking, let's say 350 or actually not, maybe 345. If we start breaking 345, Goldman Sachs to the upside, momentum's kicking in. We start breaking, let's say 146.50, 147 on JP Morgan. we might be able to get a short-term trade here. So that's pretty much it. Exxon, Chevron, XLE, AXP, JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs, those are some stocks that are running right now. And we also have the Chinese names. JD's up 1.2%. We have just the markets in general, guys, are starting to snap back a bit. Actually, wait a second. Let's go back to SPY. Now SPY is back down 0.6%. Look at that. That goes to show 440 is very strong in terms of a resistance. Look at this, guys, on the intraday chart. You see that? We hit 440. Now we're back down to 370 or 437.50 if I could freaking count today, guys. So, yeah, I mean, we're getting rejected. It doesn't mean that we're going to just dump to the downside completely now. This might just be a pullback before we start rallying again. So let's see what goes on for these next 40, 50 minutes, guys. I'll catch you all in the next video, which will be in a couple of hours. So make sure to subscribe, hit the like button if you all found value in this one, and get yourself 5 stocks from Moomoo. Each of those is valued up to $3,500. Use my link down below, deposit $100. We get some stocks from Moomoo. We get some free money. That's linked down below. And you guys could also join my Patreon for all my moves in the markets. You also get morning videos, Discord, more access to me, all that good stuff. That's linked down below. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching. As always, keep crushing the market. Stay safe out there. Peace out.